Hi folks, welcome to the channel. 20th of March 2025. Just gonna have a look at the my little fruit trees, which I'm really excited for this year. Hopefully I should get some fruits on it this year. Now yesterday I came out into the garden, summer's nearly almost here, and I cleaned this patio and I put up a video. It only cost me about less than £5 to get it to this cleanliness. Nice and clean. Washed all the seats. You can have a look at my video. Looks nice and clean, ready to come out here, enjoy the sunshine when it does come out. And now let's have a look at the fruit trees. My pride and joy. 2 weeks ago I went and got some sulfate potash and a fish blood and bone, and I raked the bottom of the little trees, and I put a handful of each and soaked it in with a hose, and let's see what's happened. They came out of dormancy, and here is the result. Within 2 weeks, this is what I got. Flowering. This is a satin peach. Got the bees coming. Here we are. This is Avalon peach. Always last year, yeah, same thing happened. The Avalon peach blossom later than the satin peach. So as you can see, the blossoms are coming out. And this is my apricot. Again, it's a little bit slow. I never had a fruit on this one, but this year hopefully I should get some fruit because it's flowering. And that's my other apricot. Now these are all semi-dwarf, as you can see. The grafting point, bought it from a reputable grower from in UK. I saw quite a few bees pollinating these, so hopefully I would get some fruit this year. But I brought some lavenders last year, and I put them down there and I pruned them. The winter time, I thought they'd die, so I pruned them, but they looks like they're coming up. And over there I got artichoke. Now the artichoke comes up every year. I had a couple of artichokes on it last year. Hopefully I should get a few artichokes on it this year. That's a beautiful plant if you're from Mediterranean. What else we got? So look at that. And this is my black morello cherry tree, which I brought it last year, and I said I was going to leave it in a pot or grow it in a pot, but I decided to put it into the ground here. And as you can see, it's got loads of buds on it. So the sulfate potassium fish blood and bone must have worked, or is it the way I planted them? I don't know, but nevertheless they're looking healthy. And this one is a plum. Again, it's got flowers coming up. And here I got my little nectarine tree. Again, semi-dwarf. This in a pot for almost about 3-4 years. Only had about a couple of nectarines on it, so I decided to take it out of the pot and put it into the ground here. And it's got loads of flowers on it, and there should be even more flowers coming up here. So within about a week this should be full of flowers, pink flowers, and hopefully the bees will come and pollinate them. And over here I got my fig tree. That's coming out of dormancy. Should get some figs on it this year. I had about 7 or 8 figs on it last year, but I took the figs out, let the tree, little tree thrive a little bit more. And I've got some plants or melons, watermelons growing in there. Let's have a look. Here is a watermelon coming up. There's some giant tomatoes and other bits and pieces in there, and down there as well, all different variety of tomatoes, cucumbers, melon, watermelon, celeriac. And this one, it hasn't come out of dormancy yet. I brought this from a reputable dealer. It's red seedless grape. Let's have a look what's happening here. I've got my clementine. It's a bit young yet, so it's been here about 2 years, and it's really thriving now. And it's already popped up a couple of fruits. Let's have a look. There is one down there. There should be another one in here. Another one there, and there should be a couple more down there, but I don't expect any fruit this year. Next year definitely. And that's my blood orange. Again, I brought it same time as the tangerine or clementine, whatever it is. The grapes are taking their time. I pruned it all the way down. Every year I get about 500-600 bunches of grapes from it, and all the starlings come on it and eat it. And this is the white grape. That one is the black grape. This is a bird's paradise. I love wild birds. And this is my luck one. I came out here and I pruned it. It was about another 4 or 5 foot high. If you look at my other videos, you'll probably see how high that was. So I pruned it all the way down here and made it into like a goblet shape so that the sun and the air gets in. And I was surprised to see a flower on it. I would imagine that must have come out sometime a couple of months ago, and the frost probably killed it. It's very hard to grow lacquer in this country because of the weather condition. They usually, well, this flowered once in 29 years, which was about 2 years ago. It had lots of flowers on it, beautiful smell, but the frost killed it. It was about November time. So I pruned it, and let's see what happens. Give it about another 2 or 3 weeks. Go down to garden center and buy loads of plants, plus my vegetables, which I would plant them all around there. Clean this as well for the birds. They love coming in here, having a bath, drinking the water. Yeah, another 3 or 4 weeks. This should look like a gardener's paradise. Thanks for watching.